Today is 19 days of December 2022. Sit at home here is 100%. You can say this Abba. Sit at home is 100%. Thank you Abba for sitting at home. Big time. These are shops. These are shops. This is Global News reporting. These are shops. Thank you Abba for sitting at home. It's beautiful. Thank you Abba for sitting at home. Thank you. But we're in morning time, you can say. We're in morning time. Enugu is crying. Enugu is crying. What happened to all? Ahamulfo in Enugu State. Fulani herdsmen had killed more than 50 men and women and children and mowed them down. With the help of Nigerian military, you can imagine. No less than 100 houses have been burned down. We're in mourning. If we allow this thing to sell, we all be consumed in one day. We all be consumed and our land will be overrun. Better rise and help one another. What happened to all? This is Global News reporting from Abia State. You can say Abia State. Please arise in Nyimba City. It is time to arise. Terrible thing happened in Enugu State. Ahamufo men have been killed like chicken. We have to arise. We can't allow this thing to happen because it must be lost. We're waiting for what those that sold Namori can, those that never last time were able to speak till noon today. And if not, please agog on enter Biafra from VOB, Voice of Biafra, to hear the new dimension. Our leader, Mazdan Khan, told us to hear from Simon Eba, new dimension. We can't allow this to continue. New dimension. So that can know the direction we are going now. It's terrible. New dimension. It is time to protect our territory. It is time. This Global News reporting from far away, Abia State.